guys? So I am back. I am back into the Instagram world. I'm back making videos. I'm back doing everything. So it's really funny because I think like 5 months ago I made a video saying how I was getting back into making YouTube videos, and then just, you know, time went on and I didn't make any YouTube videos. But I promise I'm back for real. Honestly, it's just really hard sometimes trying to balance out making Instagram content and blog content and doing video, but I know that I gotta do it, so I'm gonna do it. I didn't really want to have to film like anything super crazy and in-depth, and I know that I always love seeing hauls, especially for room decor and for some random reason Trader Joe's hauls, which, by the way, if you like watching those too, let me know in the comments below because I would totally do a Trader Joe's haul. So anyway, I just thought it'd be super fun to share with you guys some of the different stuff that I bought. I have totally changed my room from ripping out the carpet to adding the shiplap wall behind me that you see. There's just like a lot of new things around here. A full room tour video will follow this soon enough. I just need to find a new dresser, and then that's kind of like the biggest piece that's left. So anyway, let's just jump into it. I sound like Philip DeFranco now saying let's just jump into it. I do watch his videos almost every day. So I'm just gonna break it down. Oh my gosh, there's something in my eye. I'm just going to break it down based on store by store what I got. The first place I went is kind of, I feel like, a little surprising. I don't know. Whenever I watch room decor hauls or talk to literally anyone about, they never say that they go to Walmart. But my philosophy is that if you're looking for more basic things, you might as well just go cheap with that because you kind of can't screw up design-wise and look-wise, stuff like that. One of the things I needed for one of the walls was a bookshelf. So I found these 2 small bookshelves from Walmart. And I really love the way it's painted. It kind of has somewhat of a distressed look to it. And that set was actually only $11, so super affordable. So the next thing I wanted to share with you guys is this candle that was sent to me by this super sweet candle maker shop. It's called Golden Ivy, and I love that her candles come in like a mason jar. And also the font for the candle is really cute. This one is toasted marshmallow, and I just have to smell this. It smells so good. I'm probably gonna burn it tonight. Yeah, I wanted to just give her a quick shout out. The next place I went was Marshall's, obviously. I feel like Marshall's is great if you're looking for unique pieces that, say, like a Target might not necessarily have. So this next thing kind of shows my obsession with bunnies. You guys don't know this because I have not made videos in a while, so if you're watching this and you're a subscriber, a couple months, well a month ago, yeah, just a month ago, I actually got a bunny, and the bunny's name is Julep. Quick side note, this is really funny, but I actually just found out a couple days ago that the bunny is in fact not a girl but a boy. So when I went to the pet store and I checked, clearly I didn't check very well, but obviously I don't care, and I'm just gonna keep the name Julep because I think it's cute, and my bunny already knows that name. But anyway, that's just a funny side story. So I found these really cute bunny knobs for my dresser. The dresser that I don't have yet, but I'm going to be looking again really hard this weekend, so hopefully I get that. The next thing I got was this throw pillow. Looks like this. It says blissful on it, and I particularly like it just because the writing is outlined in gold, and I really like millennial pink kind of color. The color scheme I'm kind of trying to go for in my room is lots of pinks and salmon pink, coral because that's the color of the year. Also copper metal because I love copper. If you follow Aspen Ovar, then it's very obvious that my inspiration is coming from her. The last place I went, and obviously the place where I got the most stuff, was Target. My most favorite piece that I got was, it's a copper tinted mirror, and I'm freaking out over it. Like, how cool is this? I'm so excited about it. I mean, I'm super cheap. and the mirror was $40, which was kind of a lot for me, kind of. But honestly, I feel like if you find specific pieces that like really speak to you and that you really love, then it's always good to splurge on a couple items. The other item I just got like this geode stone. It was like $13. It was kind of in need of like pretty small things to put on the table that I have and those shelves. So I thought that would kind of fit my vibe nicely. And then I also got this clay candle from Target. And if you haven't seen their new home decor line, then you seriously need to go check it out. There's like this big section, the home decor area right across from the hearth and hand line, and the one side has like a bunch of light blue colored decor, and then the other side is a bunch of salmon pink, light pink, and tan colored decor, and that's where I found this candle. So yeah, definitely go check that out because you'll probably be just as impressed as I am. Okay, so the next piece that I got is from the Opal House line at Target, which I love, and I'm pretty sure everyone does. I always hear people freaking out about it. This is the vase that I got. My vision for this is to put pampas in it. I still have a bunch of pampas left over from a little birthday get-together thing I had. Shout out to Maychester Design. She is an insanely talented florist in Pittsburgh, and she gave me a bunch of pampas to decorate for my birthday get-togethers. We love her. Then the other piece I got, obviously, is another fake cactus plant, which was also from the Opal House line. This was $25, I think. Yeah. I thought it would look really cute just like on the floor in my room. So the last piece that I have is a accent rug. This is from the Project 62 line at Target, and I am definitely a big fan of that line too. There's so many cool modern pieces in that line. This is what the rug looks like. Well, at least that's half of it. I'm planning on putting some of my shoes or something on that and then pushing it against the wall maybe. Okay, I need a Dunkin' break. Well, actually, that's everything that I have to share with you guys today. Make sure that you like the video if you enjoyed it. Also, side note, because I'm drinking Dunkin', comment below your favorite Dunkin' drink because I'm always looking for different drinks. What I currently am ordering is, I always get a medium iced coffee, even though I never finish the medium. And I always get the almond and coconut flavor shots in it. Those actually don't have any sugar in it, so it's perfect because it gives the drink some flavor, but it's not super sugary. And then I always get cream in it. So that's my drink order. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what yours is. If you guys didn't know, if you're new to the channel, I also have a blog, A Gypsy in the City, and I have a Instagram account that I am super active on. I'm always posting behind the scenes and Instagram stories and photos, so I will link all of that stuff below in the description box so you can check that out and connect with me. Stay tuned for a room tour because I definitely want to do that soon. And just a side note, also, if you guys want to meet my bunny, then let me know. I'm considering like doing some content with him. Still trying to get used to the fact that my bunny is a him. Yeah, even if it's just like a couple of really cute photos on Instagram or whatever, let me know if that's something you guys want to see. That's basically everything that I have for you guys today. Stay tuned for more of my videos coming soon, and I'll see you guys later.